Good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It's Thais Simone.
And Ayana Maria.
And we are back with some more daily messages. Oh my God. Some more daily messages. What's up, collective? How's everybody doing this morning? I feel pretty good. Y'all, a miracle happened yesterday. A miracle happened. Like, oh my God. And I feel really good.
Yeah.
I feel really grateful. I feel really happy.
Morning,
Girl, take these cards.
Okay.
I feel really grateful. Good morning. Welcome to live. Good morning, Lau. Welcome to the live. Good morning, Lau. You're going to have to move your butt. We need this space. You're going to have to put your butt somewhere else. What do you know?
This message for the collective spirit. For January 17th, happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Your grandma, my grandma.
Yeah, and my grandma's birthday was yesterday. I forgot to say, send a happy birthday. Oh, crap. I'm just telling my parents to tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my grandma, R.I.P.
Happy birthday. Happy heavenly spiritual birthday.
I love you. Shout out to all the Capricorns in the building.
Mm-hmm. I know.
It's y'all season right now or whatever. But not for long.
Oh, my God.
Girl, come on. How long you gonna shuffle the cards?
Okay.
Loud. Move your butt. Move your butt. Come. Good boy. Come on. Good boy now. All right, let's get started. Loud. We need this space. Can you put your butt somewhere else? Oh my. I mean, having the urge to like flip it over. All right, star reverse.
The Empress.
Oh, okay. The Five of Swords.
The Prince of Wands.
Okay, the title card. And the High Priestess reverse. Oh my God.
The Queen of Pentacles.
Okay. Accidentally. I'm gonna just.
Yeah.
The Lovers.
The Four of Wands reversed.
The King of Wands reversed. All right. Look, I don't know how y'all feeling, but I feel good. Good morning. Welcome to the live. Okay. So High Priestess reversed, I feel like, in the center of the being, I feel like collective, we're not, well, y'all not. I am. Most people are not listening to their intuition right now at this time. Maybe as it pertains to maybe a new home. Or a new partnership, a new relationship. Because this Four of Wands to me be feeling like a Two of Cups, but no cups. Like it's like the union. It just feels so much different from like the traditional tarot. I feel like most of you or some of you don't know what your passion is yet. Like you don't have like a clear vision, and because you don't have a clear vision, it's almost like you're directionless. Like you don't know which way to go. You don't know what you love to do or who you love to be around.
I can see that. I'm actually
or like your focus is on money. Your focus is on money and not passion, and you're having a hard time trying to decide between the two. And I feel like I know the whole COVID shit that's like going around is like scaring everybody, and like people are, scared of losing their jobs, scared of being out of work, scared of not having money. But on God, now
is in your head.
Yeah, now is
Shit's
the
not real.
absolute best time to follow your dreams. Like there's never been a better time to follow your dreams. Like never been a better time. Like all the old rules that apply to everything are done. So I feel like you just have to take that leap of faith and first of all decide on your dream. Like, you have to have a vision. I feel like if you don't have a vision already, this doesn't apply to you, don't, make it fit. But if you don't have a dream, or you're not going for your dream and you have a dream, then you're doing yourself a disservice.
I agree. And you have the power, like, you know what I'm saying? Like once you realize your dreams and everything, like, you can really do some shit with it. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, you're creative. Like, there's something in you. There's something in everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, we can all access this.
Yeah.
But you just gotta... He's sending my papers again.
Oh, my God, loud.
But, you just gotta look inside yourself. You know what I'm saying? Sit down and listen to your intuition. Sit down and be still so that your intuition can be heard. You know what I'm saying?
You can hear yourself.
Right. And also pay attention to the dreams that you have. Like, maybe before you go to bed, pray to God that you dream lucidly and that you remember it and that you're in it and you feel it and you're in control. You know what I'm saying? Like, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like, I've been doing that lately so that I can recall my dreams.
Oh, my God. I love dreaming, man. I used to just take naps just to be in the spirit world. All right, at the bottom of the deck, we have the Princess of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, beautiful, and the Princess of Cups. So, yeah, like I said, oh, hold on, it's another one. Oh, the King of Pentacles reversed. So, yeah, I feel like,
Queen right there.
Yeah, oh, the King and the Queen, nice. I feel like I said, if you're not already focused on what it is that you need to do with the Wheel and the Princess of Swords, or communicating what you need to do, at least with yourself, like, first. You know what I'm saying? You don't necessarily have to tell everybody what you're dreaming, what you're thinking, because half the time the people to be around you aren't going to support you. And our traumas, our lessons that we have to release and let go, but that's not always the case. Mm-hmm. It's a case-by-case basis, but there is going to be a lot of falling out of connections.
It always happens. Always happens.
I feel like listen to yourself. I feel like you're not listening to yourself. And don't do shit for money, man. Like, I don't know how many times I have to say this to people, like, money is not everything. I don't give a fuck what it looks like on the outside. Everybody got bills, yeah, but money comes to you in so many different ways. And a lot of people don't understand that rich people don't work for money. Like, rich people don't work for money. I feel like that's what the wheel is.
And people almost worship that shit. They think that money is, like, everything. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they think the harder they work, that they're supposed to make more money. And that's not how it works.
That's how you form a bad relationship with money. And then that's when you just start focusing on it. And then when you're down bad, you're like, oh, my God, I'm freaking out. I can't afford this. I can't pay for... And then it's just a spiral, like, for that. Money. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And then you just end up having a bad relationship with money. Then you gotta unlearn and relearn how to have a good relationship with money. It's just, that whole cycle. But yeah, money isn't everything. It's just a fucking piece of paper.
Literally. And
that the government prints out. They print the shit out.
Bro, you're like, how many hours do I have to work to get this new iPhone? And then the boss of your company, the owner of the company is like, if I put 30 of these people to work, then I get to buy all these iPhones, all this shit, this new real estate for my family. You know what I'm saying? And literally, you only get a fraction of what you're really working for.
Yeah, and then even these people out here, I was one of them. I used to be one of them. It's like,
Yeah, me too.
If for example, if you're out here making $20 an hour, and then you go buy something $20 or $40, that's an hour or two of your fucking life
gone.
Like $20, that was an hour of work. 40 is 2 hours of work. If you paid for something that was equivalent to that, that's like, if you think about it, it's so fucked up. And your boss doesn't give a fuck. They replaced you yesterday.
Yeah, so a new romantic cycle begins. So I feel like this new romantic cycle is with yourself and with your passion or your dream, like whatever it is that you're dreaming about or you want to happen. I feel like once you come to this realization, once you start listening to yourself, that you'll be in the Empress energy, and then you'll be, like I said, you'll have to let go of some things. You'll have to make some sacrifices in order to make space and make room.
Exactly. Don't let your past hold you back. You gotta get rid of some people.
Yeah, in order to make space and make room for this new beginning. But it's here and it's coming.
Mm-hmm. And then when I was shuffling, Surrender to the Divine came out, so that kind of drove me back to the High Priestess. Like, you have to sit down.
Right, bottom of the deck. Take time to breathe out.
Mm-hmm.
The more when you breathe, you inhale energy and then you exhale energy. So try a breathing technique where you inhale everything that you want. So for example, when you inhale, you're like, I'm inhaling prosperity. Inhale. I'm exhaling negativity.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like, however that works for you.
Yeah, usually, sometimes when I breathe out, I feel like I release everything, like, I release negativity, negative thoughts, and everything that doesn't serve me. Like, I say something like that, I don't know. But, yeah. Everything that doesn't serve my highest good.
But that is what we have for you today, collective. I hope that this helps you. Because, yeah, man, if you're really not already on the dream chase, on your path, you need to be.
Mm-hmm.
You really do. You really need to be, because, oh my God, it's really the best time. Man, we started our journey 3 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And we haven't had the most money. But when I say miracles happen for you when you're on your path, miracles happen for you.
Mm-hmm.
Like, don't even worry. All you have to do is stay focused on building the dream. Stay focused on your passion. Stay focused on releasing. And then you just make room for so much abundance. Like, like, oh my God.
And of course, be positive and treat people right. Be kind always to yourself and to others.
It's a whole learning journey. So I feel like, you know, it's definitely different for everybody. But definitely stay in love.
Mm-hmm.
Stay in love. But I feel like once you love yourself, you listen to yourself, everything else will fall in line.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that is what we have for you today, collective. We love you. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment.
Mm-hmm.
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. Turn on the notification bells.
Yep. And we are also doing personal readings. You know, if you want some clarity on a specific...
Yeah, me too. We just woke up.
If you would like any clarity on a specific situation, event, or person, place, or thing in your life, there's information on how to contact us for that in the description box. So
Yeah. And check out our Patreon.
Right. We're building our own deck, you know.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff going on. But yeah. So yeah, we're working on our dream.
Mm.
We listen to our intuition.
Yeah.
We in Empress energy. We got some new love going on.
Oh my God.
But you know. For the ones that are doing it, y'all doing it. We on the right track.
Mm-hmm.
You in this. Okay, for the ones that's not getting this. Okay, you see this? Look how beautiful this is. Look how powerful this shit looks. It's a lot of feminine energy too, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. So
when you're in your creative flow, it's feminine energy.
But yeah, so that is what we have for you. We love you. You are truly legendary. And until next time, later.
Later.